Greetings, fellow nerds. Motor City Magic here with another box opening. Today is going to be a anime style trading card game called Goddess Story. Never heard of it, but I couldn't pass up the cheap price, and it appears that this one may be a little spicier than we're used to from the last few videos, so there's just a warning. I think there's going to be some saucy shots, but nothing R-rated, because I would not ever purchase something like that. But anyway, I think I paid $8 for this. Take a look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 30 packs. Very Goddess Story, I'm guessing. A lot of Japanese that I don't read at all. And the little frog logo. Let me, there we go. Do this a little better here for you. And not many cards in the pack, but that seems to be the trend with some of these Japanese games. So let's see, here are the backs of the cards, and here's a foil, crystal foil looking. You can see what I mean by they're a little spicy here. 3 thicker than 4 in SCR. Maybe that's the rare, but nice quality. I'm not exactly sure what any of these stats are, which I'm sure that's for playing the game, but nice artwork. Let's try not to stab myself or ruin any of these cards, because it seems like they all have, all have some kind of foiling treatment, which I think maybe that's the selling point in some of these trading card games with lesser followings and smaller pack sizes. They're SR. I'm just going through these quick since I don't really know what any of this is, and just to see if there's anything that jumps out. No pun intended. Hooey. That's cool with the sword. Another SR. So R, 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 R. So I'm guessing R is rare, super rare, aka common and uncommon, maybe. I mean, definitely. Oh, that's cool. SSR, super rare. That's some really cool foiling, though. That's for darn sure. I think trying to learn how to play this game would be not too easy, but with Google Translate I'm sure I could do it. Well, let's say we get a double, but that's a double entendre there. SR. And they have a lot of different sets of this Goddess Story that is now inundating my inbox now that I've bought one box of it. This is SCR. Oh, this is a textured foil of a woman in a straitjacket. Okay, I'm sure that has something to do with the game. Oh, another SSR. That's cool again with that extra foiling. Common rare? I don't know. I love it. Holding a Dr. Pepper. Our SR. Nice foiling on that one. R, and another SR. Yeah, I mean, they have some really high quality foiling on these ones. And the one textured one, that was pretty different and unique. Man, a lot of that. Another SSR. Hitori, obviously some kind of musician. All right. Little kitty backpack there, same one. SR, yeah, that pretty, yeah, that textured foiling. That's pretty neat. All right, I don't know what any of the icons mean. If the different colors mean different tribes or groups or whatever. Oh, that's cool foiling SR there. Definitely a lot of variety. Not the same exact foiling on every card, although we're getting quite a bit of double. Oh, SER, a Sir. That is etched or raised foiling. That is pretty cool, actually, and it's beautiful art. Alright. Another spicy card here. Rare SR. Oh, and there's somebody with a faux Pikachu, or maybe it's something from anime I don't follow. Spicy. Oh, SCR. A little bit of textured foiling in the back. I have to Google Translate all of these cards to see what they say. Oh, that's neat. Different. Oh, another SSR with a rifle. Again, I'm sure there's something to do with the game. And the way they're spitting these cards out, I don't know. Another spicy sword. I can't even tell. Fur coat. SR. Oh, this one she can read because she has to wear glasses. And this spicy. Oh, there's another SSR musician. At least the packs open easily. That probably means something. I don't know if they're from a movie or a cartoon. That's cool textured foiling there. This one again, and super spicy. And oh, there's even more spice. And this again. Oh, thought it was the same card twice, but it's not. Ooh, that's a cool SSR with that logo on there. That's pretty sweet. This one. Oh, some kind of witch. Oh, another SCR with some raised foil in the back. Excuse me. There's a faux Pikachu again. Flowers. Oh, the heart. Getting down to the last few packs here. This one's a pretty quick one. Oh, checking her phone. Oh, there's another SSR with a spray bottle of some kind. I don't know. Alright, oh. Spicy. Oh, oof. There's some come hither there for you. Last 3 froggy packs here. They runs the gamut, the artwork from innocent to hey, which I guess sums up, you know, Japanese culture and anime. Again. Oh, let's go with the ghost and the witch there, an SR. And our final pack, we got a witch, schoolgirl, traditional Japanese maiden, kitty backpack, and last but not least, an SR with a rose. So let's check the backs again. So yeah, this is Goddess Story, trading card game, and very intriguing artwork, different colored backs. I don't know how you play a game if they're different parts of the deck, but some definitely different from anything else I've ever checked out or opened. So I just thank you for checking this video out for Goddess Story, and I hope you all have a great day.